Good morning and welcome to day 2. Must say, I caused some chaos in here last night. Been trying to dig around, get everything ready, trying to work out what I needed, what I had to order, what I had even. So I've got stuff everywhere. So before I can really start, I need to have a clean up. And then I can start digging through my box of Raceworks parts, working out the cooler pipes. Drilled my hole last night because I didn't want to deal with that on camera. So that's done, just needs a little bit of pinch weld around it, run the cooler pipes around through it. Starting this one down through here. Just want to mock up some cooler pipes this morning, work out what bits I didn't order. That way I can chuck an order through with Raceworks, get that sorted today, because hey, I want to get this bloody thing done and I don't remember what I'm missing. It's kind of a bit of a guesswork. I've ordered so much. I've just been chucking money at this car at the moment. Just trying to get everything here on time because yeah, just don't want that downtime. So you've got the big box here, work my way through it. I think this will have 90% of the parts I need, I reckon. And I've got a couple of other things, the silicone joints and stuff to work it out. But before I can start, I'm going to tidy up the bits I know I don't need down. Oh, and I got the engine loom. So, Haltech harness here. I've already stripped out what I don't need. So Elite 1500, yeah, I label everything that I've got just so I don't get confused with customer stuff. Stripped it all down. These are all the wires I need, not too many. It's going to be pretty bloody basic, this car. So I'll measure that one up when I finish work for the day and get it built tonight. So that way tomorrow I am putting a harness in. Maybe even tonight I'll put the harness in once I finish up. Not that it's ready to run, I still haven't run the bloody fuse box back around. That's over here chilling in this bag. Oh, it looks like a disaster when it's like that. Battery cable there, which I'm going to have to redo. Not happy with how they've done that. There's so many jobs to do on this car. When I start to think about everything, it gets a bit overwhelming. So I guess I just have to jump into it and start taking one by one by one by one. Bit of a reset done now, feeling a hell of a lot better about everything. Just got my floor back, got the welder out. By the way, if anyone knows of a good, basic, cheap AC/DC welder they recommend to replace this old girl, let me know. She's a bit tired, I wouldn't mind getting something new. It's starting to make me feel like I can't weld some days just because it's not that consistent. So if anyone knows of anything, let me know, I might buy it. But yeah, let's do some pipe work, eh? Work out what I'm missing. We'll probably start with some exhaust work as well, just so that's done, just tack it up. But I am thinking off here, spin that down a bit, cut this pipe down. Generally I'd weld a 90 to the turbo, but it's away from the heat far enough that I'm happy. So we'll go to there, cut that down. We've got a hole down here. We'll probably have to cut this leg down a little bit too. Run the 90 through there. So it'll stick through like that. We'll go down. Job done. I'm 1 2-inch 90 shy. 2 inches is going to be plenty for this car anyway. It's only going to be pushing 250 to high 200s at most ever, I reckon. Well, in my ownership. So yeah, 2 inch will be fine. I've seen it proven to 350 kilowatt, flying fine. So I am not worried. That'll be the cold side. Sorry, the hot side. The cold side's going to be 2.5 inch. But we'll mock that out next. First, let's get this bloody thing marked up. Bit of a trick if you're like me and you can't cut straight. I wrap a line of masking tape round, that way when I get a nice straight edge, I know what I'm doing. Doesn't mean that I'm cutting dead like parallel to the pipe, just means I'm cutting straight. Now I can just clean it up on the belt sander after. Means I get some nice flushy gaps so my welding isn't bad. Well, I don't have that bit of my welding to fight, but yeah, bit of tape wrap round, see the MO mark, bit of tape over top, job done. First pipe in, that's a win. I also found this silicone joiner that's not the right size, so it's got another silicone joiner inside of it, just so I can work out this side next. But again, this isn't to build the pipes today, well, right now. This is to work out what other pipes I need, so I can order them this morning, so hopefully I have them by the end of the week. Today being Wednesday, hoping to have all the cooler pipe, wow, that's if the intercooler arrives by the weekend. Hoping to have all the intercooler pipes done by the weekend. Same with the exhaust. I might start tacking that up in a minute too. And then yeah, go order some parts and go start my workday. Should be good. Hopefully another productive video. Like I say, really want to get that loom done today. If I can get that done and in, maybe modify the standard loom for the bits I need to keep, like the aircon, wipers, indicator, I'll be a happy man. I'm gonna be bloody worn out by the end of the week. Damn, just like that, my alarm's just gone off. I need to get into my workday. So, one pipe marked, taped together. I need to get another 90 there. That'll take me down to the intercooler. This side, I think I've got enough, except I need an air temp sensor bung, air temp sensor, then the intake. I've got the silicone joiner there. I've got a 90 here, which will take it through into the enclosure with a pod filter in there. But I need to get a barb to go back to the rocker cover, so I don't worry about a catch can. Exhaust, I've tacked one on, and just a 45. I've got another 45 that'll snake down. That'll go to a flex bellow. I've got all the exhaust stuff ordered, so I'm not too stressed there. I just wanted to get tacked out so it started to look complete. But yeah, shouldn't take much from here. Just a lot of work. Actually, no, it's going to take a lot then, isn't it? It's the opposite of taking much. Damn, what's a guy got to do around here? Managed to free up a couple of hours this afternoon between jobs. So, got this one pipe mocked up, obviously just taped together. And that goes down, just a little bit of pinch weld around the hole. Straight down there, around a 45 off to the intercooler. Job done. That one's easy. This one, as you saw, job done there. Chucked a couple of tacks on the down pipe and a bit of tape just to confirm before, when the bellow arrives. That should be good. You can see the wastegate in there properly this video. Just gonna have to run a little 180 out of it, I think. Probably rotate it a bit more and just run it straight back in. But I got the engine loom made. I think I've probably got 4 hours in this, so pretty bloody quick. Just simple as. Drive by wire though, you can see the pedal there. Gonna knock that up soon. I think I have got one hiding up here on the shelf. Here we are. So I got this pedal here, and around inside the car, if I can get into it, it's too close to the wall. No, I should be able to get in here, into the darkness. We've got the standard pedal. I'd already unbolted this for some reason. Just looks like she's had some screws in it, so I'll grind them off. Much of a muchness, but you can see the actual angle difference. That rod goes straight and this one kicks back down. So I'll cut these two up, weld them together, pull it all apart when I do it so I don't ruin the sensor there. But yeah, this loom can go in the car. There's no reason it can't. That runs out nice and below the manifold there, that way I can chuck all the brake master, clutch master and stuff in. Just waiting on a parcel to arrive. Hopefully that arrives in the next half hour or so before I go for a run. And that'll have a few more goodies for me to put on tonight. It's going to be a busy evening, I think. This is a little bit wild. Jesus Christ, just random wires taped together, grounds that are red, all sorts of junk going on there. I just wanted to remove the stereo so I can get the loom behind it. Shit, just found myself some more work. Also found an old G-Ready Perfect B hiding behind there too. Jesus Christ, more work to fix. Shit, that's got to be one of the fastest loom installs I've done. Full engine loom on. You can see there's got to be a bit of cable management. Tuck things up where they need to be, all the injectors are in. A little bit of a mess under there, but not too bad. Coil packs, obviously not there. Still haven't found a set of S14 coil packs. That could be my hold up yet. I might have to go GDR packs. I don't want to. If I can't find them I will, but yeah, let's see. So what's on for the rest of the night? Bit of cable management, knock that out. Make this pedal, bolt that in. That's good, that's done. Maybe weld this pipe, weld this pipe. They'll be done then. 2 pipes done, I can bead roll the ends, don't have to worry about them. Put the clutch master on, bolt the brake booster on properly, maybe run the brake lines. If I can get all that done tonight, I'll be happy. Probably the welding of the alloy pipes would be the lower priority there. Yeah, don't have to do anything there. Let's see what happens. Evening run done, back into this bloody stuff. But we had a nice care package turn up from GK Tech. Some spacers to sort the front out, because the wheels hit the coilovers, not ideal. Some wheel nuts, because they're just good wheel nuts. Shifter boot, because that's rubbish. Radiator brackets, because I need them. A couple of bits for the gearbox, because I'm missing. And yeah, GK Tech sells some OEM stuff, which is bloody nice, and way cheaper than OEM for it too. Clutch slave, I don't have one. And some front nuts to suit, front bolts to suit the spacers, so they'll actually be safe. So yeah, we'll get there. I don't need to put much of that on there. But the pedal is done, welded. I tacked it in, had a bit of a look in there. She looked alright. She sat in a pretty good spot. I think she'll be right. We'll find out once she cools off. We'll chuck some paint on it to help her cool down. And then, yeah, wait for it to cool off properly so I don't melt the sensor. You can see at the top here, it's all ground off a little bit. Tacked it there first, wrong bloody end. Bloody idiot. That happens. Damn. Well damn, the plan went out the window. All because of this. This was once the factory engine loom. Now it's a bloody disaster in this state. Just spent, I don't know how long, way too long. See my hands sticky, absolutely covering myself and stuff. This is a bloody disaster. But I stripped it down, made it look like that. That's just the bare essentials left. We got, bending down's hard, isn't it? What's a guy got to do to feel young again? But we got that, the wiper amplifier box, the wipers, the indicator, the aircon plug, and a couple of other bits for integration, just so I can make the Haltech actually talk to the car. So I'll get that sorted, maybe later, maybe tomorrow, if I get some downtime between jobs. Get that in, it'll come out of that hole along with the wideband. Job done there. Need to get out this door. I can't put a bloody engine in the way. Need to get the power steering reservoir, start putting the lines in. So you know what? Bugger it. I'm done for the night. I'm over this. Pack up, short one tonight. I guess it was pretty productive. I made an engine loom, I put it in the car, I started on coil pipes. That's not bad for a half day's work.